Gas is expensive, traffic is worse, and commuting doesn't have to suck anymore. In 2025, affordable e-bikes are better than ever. Powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and prices that won't kill your budget. We tested 5 of the best budget-friendly e-bikes, from mountain-style trail bikes to compact folding commuters. Here's how they stacked up in the real world. The TotGuard surprised me. For the price, it feels solid. The 500-watt peak motor pushes you up to 20 miles per hour easily, and with pedal assist, you can stretch to about 40 to 50 miles on a charge. On my test commute, the front suspension soaked up potholes and small bumps, making it comfy for both city and light trail use. Shifting through the 21-speed Shimano gears gave more control on hills, though I found the rear end stiff since there's no rear suspension. The battery is removable so you can charge it indoors. Super convenient if you live in an apartment. Downsides, it's a bit heavy and you'll want to upgrade the saddle for long rides. Best for budget commuters and weekend trail riders who want solid range and real MTB styling without overspending. The ANCHEER Sunshine is one of the strongest in this group. With a 750-watt peak motor, I hit 22 miles per hour on flat pavement and climbed moderate hills without breaking a sweat. The ride quality was smooth thanks to the front fork suspension and wide tires. The battery claims up to 55 miles with pedal assist, but in my mixed testing, hills plus throttle use, I got closer to 35 to 40 miles, which is still solid. Build quality felt a step above TotGuard. The aluminum frame is lighter, and the bike felt nimble weaving through city traffic. The 721-speed drivetrain shifted cleanly, and it's UL2849 certified, which adds peace of mind for safety. Best for riders who want extra power and range, commuters with hills, or anyone who wants a do-it-all budget EMTB that feels like it costs more than it does. If you want comfort and simplicity, the Hyper E-Ride Cruiser delivers. With a 250-watt motor and pedal assist, it's not the fastest, topping out around 15 to 16 miles per hour, and the range is only about 20 miles. But the cruiser frame geometry and upright riding position made it one of the most comfortable rides I tested. The wide saddle and swept-back handlebars are perfect for casual rides. Think boardwalks, parks, or short city commutes. The downside, limited power means it struggles on big hills, and the battery drains fast if you rely on throttle. Best for casual riders, leisure trips, or those who value comfort over power. Great for beach towns, flat commutes, and easygoing rides. The Swagtron EB7 Elite is a commuter's best friend. It's a folding bike, so it fits in car trunks, under desks, or in an apartment corner. The 350-watt motor felt punchy, hitting 18 miles per hour, and the rear suspension smoothed out rough pavement surprisingly well. On throttle only, I got about 10 miles of range, but with pedal assist, I pushed closer to 15 to 18 miles. Not a long-distance bike, but for city commutes or train-to-office rides, it's perfect. The fold-down mechanism is quick, and at around 40 pounds, it's portable. Not featherlight, but manageable. Best for apartment dwellers, urban commuters, or anyone needing a foldable, portable e-bike that balances performance and convenience. Last up, the Jetson Bolt. This one's more of an electric scooter with a seat than a full bike. No pedals, just throttle. It's tiny, lightweight at about 30 pounds, and maxes out at 15.5 miles per hour with a range of around 10 to 13 miles. In testing, it was ridiculously fun, zippy, nimble, and perfect for quick city hops. I could carry it upstairs easily thanks to the built-in handle. But don't expect to use it for long commutes. Battery life is short, and no pedals means when it's dead, it's dead. Best for last-mile riders, students, or city dwellers who need something ultra-portable and easy to stash indoors. We've linked the best prices in the description below. Which one fits your lifestyle? The trail riding workhorse, the city slick folding bike, or the comfort cruiser? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world reviews. Ride smarter, spend less, and enjoy the ride.